If you're watching this video with an exam coming up real soon, just breathe. You're not doomed. I'm about to show you exactly how I've passed some of the hardest nursing exams of my life using a couple of steps. Welcome back to Trey's Anatomy. I'm Trey, current nursing student. Now let's get straight into it. Step 1 is intel. Before I even think about studying, I ask what's going to be on the test, what kind of questions are there going to be, is it NCLEX style, is it straight up recall, is it priority? You have to know what you're up against. If your professor gives you a study guide or a blueprint, don't just skim it. Treat it like a checklist. Every single bullet point is a question waiting to be asked. So map the test and then reverse engineer the questions into a study guide of your own. Now, step 2 is turning it into a game plan. So if I've got 5 days of study, I split the topics into chunks. Day 1, med surg. Day 2, pharm. Day 3, practice questions. You get the point. I don't just wing it. I have a specific goal set. Your brain loves structure. Set daily goals. Overestimate how long you're going to need and leave room for review. You need to schedule the chaos. Otherwise, the chaos is going to schedule you. Step 3 is active recall. And I cannot stress this one enough. No more highlighting every word like it's the Declaration of Independence. I switched to active recall a while ago, and I could not thank myself more. Flashcards I make myself, Anki, blurting out info just out loud, drawing disease processes from memory, making my own concept maps, and above all, actually teaching somebody else. And if you don't have anybody else to teach, I teach my cats. And don't forget, if you're not struggling to remember it, then you're not learning it. Test yourself and then test yourself again. Retrieval beats recognition every time. Step 4, practice questions are gold. I do at least 25 questions a day leading up to the exam. But here's the key. I don't just look at what I got wrong. I study the rationale for every single question, every single answer, right or wrong. So let's say I have a question on hypertension and A is high blood pressure, B is etc. I will go through each and every single one of those and write out a rationale as to why it's wrong. Looking into why it's wrong will just concrete the knowledge that you already know. And at this point, you're not just practicing for the exam, you're learning how to think like a test writer. Rationales are more important than the results. All right, last step, step 5. The day before the exam, I don't learn anything new. I go back over my cheat sheet, I review the questions that I got wrong, I talk to myself, I teach my cats, I teach whoever is willing to listen. And it works. I don't know what else to tell you. The thing is, you don't win the race by sprinting the last lap. You win it by showing up prepared. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Use the final 24 hours to solidify, not to scramble. The 3 R's, review, rehearse, relax. You don't have to study like everyone else. You just have to study effectively. Exams don't define you, but preparation does. Don't forget, you got this. Stick around and subscribe if you want some more real study tips for surviving nursing school with your sanity intact. Drop your favorite study tip in the comments below. We learn a lot better from each other. Thank you for your time. Love y'all. Peace.